the channel. I am Aman Sheikh. Hope you're living your life. Let's get started with the video. Today is day 2 in Goa. The plan for today is that we don't have any plan. We haven't made the itinerary yet. We are planning to visit the nearby beaches. Let's see, that's not fixed. For now, I'm gonna give you a hostel tour since it was not possible yesterday night when we checked in. So yeah, just a second. Name of our hostel is Green Space, and this is the entrance. As we enter, we have a place to chill out over here. We have some benches to sit. As we go on the left side, we have a cafeteria area where usually यहाँ पे t-shirts होते हैं कुछ बेचने के लिए. As we go out over here, we have some trees, some sitting place as I told you, and we have one entry from here to the dorm. I'll show you. By the way, before going over there, we have a working space where we can like use our laptops and stuff and do our work. As we enter the dorm area, we have our dorms, 4 on each side. This is my bed where I spent the last night and gonna spend more 6 days. And here is the storage of the dorm. So I've kept my stuff over here. So yeah, it is quite big, so 2 big bags can get accommodated. Here there's one private room. As we go out from here, there's another dorm where that is the 8-bed dorm and this is the 10-bed dorm. We have a general toilet over here. As we get out from here, we have like 2 wash basins, 2 washrooms, and जो उधर से 2 एंट्रीज थी जिसमें मैंने राइट लिया. If we take like I entered the hostel from this side, but if we go from this side, we will see, I guess these 2 are also private rooms. I am not sure about it, but yeah, we'll resume here only. Where here there are 2 washrooms which are decent in size and yeah, clean also. When we go inside, we have a tents section, you can say, where 2 of my friends are staying. So yeah, these are the tents, and this is a private room over here, and even on the top there's a private room. Tents are over here. I'll just show you one of the tents, how it looks. Just a second. So yeah, this is how the tent is. That's a pillow, switch, our Bisleri bottle, my bag. So I've just kept my bag over here, and yeah, it's small and comfortable with a switch and fan over there. Let me close it. So we have a swing over here where we can sit and chill. For the tents, we have a locker over here which is smaller than the locker. This is the place for the staff to stay. This is a small kitchen. Right में washroom, सामने dormitory, इधर से tent के लिए. And ये है वो reception जहाँ से मैं निकला. यहाँ पे kitchen, and यहाँ पे there's a chilling place, like we can sit and chill. So it's nice. यहाँ पे भी बैठने के लिए जगह है. So yeah, it's a very chill place. यहाँ पे भी एक tent है. So I guess one of the persons is staying here. He has some dumbbells and things to exercise. This is another bathroom. So that is how we cover the whole hostel. Now I'm going to have my breakfast, and I'm not sure what is the plan for today, but I think we are going to visit the nearby beaches. Let's see what Harshal and Anuj have to say. So this hostel, we have booked it for 350 rupees per night for the dorm, and for the tent it is like 275 or something. With that we get a complimentary breakfast. It includes this small bowl of fruits and also an bread omelette, which will be shown in some time as we come, and Harshal and Anuj are having the breakfast over here. So fruits and bread and omelette. This is how we conclude the complimentary breakfast. breakfast done and the clothes will change in 3, 2. So this is the outfit for today. T-shirt, shorts, sandals, bag, and watch, it's 12:24 right now. 12:14 right now, and now we are going to rent a scooty. Let's see.
ऐसा रिसीट आप व्हाट्सएप पे मेरे को ये करो कि आपको इतना
हाँ चलेगा. So we have taken 2 scooties. Both are Fasinos, and the rent that we are paying is 3,000 rupees for 5 days, which is equivalent to 300 rupees per day. पेट्रोल हम लोग को भरना रहता है. अभी स्कूटी हम लोग का एक ये है और दूसरा वाला ये ब्लू फसिनो और एक ये न्यू वाला एडिशन है. अभी सीन ऐसा है कि whenever you buy a scooty you have to check the few basic things कि पहली बात उसका हेडलाइट, ब्रेक चल रहा है कि नहीं, जो भी बेसिक चीज़ें, स्टैंड वैंड सब में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है कि नहीं. ऑल्सो एक वीडियो निकाल लो इसका, क्या बोलते हैं, पूरी गाड़ी का, जिससे वो लोग जो डिपॉजिट अमाउंट लेते हैं, इसने तो फिलहाल कोई डिपॉजिट लिया नहीं है, पर जो भी डिपॉजिट अमाउंट लेते हैं वो कहीं कट ना कर दे अगर उन लोगों को स्क्रैच वैच दिखे तो हम लोग पहले ही सेफ साइड पे रहेंगे कि सर वी हैव रिकॉर्डेड दी स्कूटी, मतलब उससे बस अपना जो डिपॉजिट फ़ी है वो वापस से सेफली आ जाएगा. और बेसिक तो और कुछ नहीं है, बस चेक कर लीजिए कि सब कुछ स्कूटी का चीज़ें सही है कि नहीं, एंड हेलमेट रहता है. द प्लान इज़ दैट वी आर गोना विजिट वैगेटोर बीच राइट नाउ. फर्स्ट वील रिफिल पेट्रोल. दिस इज़ द एक्स्ट्रा स्ट्रॉन्ग हेलमेट दैट वी हैव. दिस इज़ कुछ पैडिंग नहीं है, सिर्फ नाम का हेलमेट है. वी हैव रिफ्यूल्ड द पेट्रोल. 290 का डाला है, टंकी ऑलमोस्ट फुल कर दी है. आई एम गोना ड्राइव दिस फसीनो. Last thing, also make sure that the vehicle has a yellow number plate. Okay, let's go now. Parked our vehicles. First stop for the day is Vagator Beach. It's pretty crowded over here, but बात करें कोविड की तो mask isn't a thing here unless you are driving. While you are driving, wear a mask and a helmet. But घूमते वक्त पब्लिक स्पॉट्स पे मास्क नहीं रहेगा तो भी मेजर लोगों के पास तो नहीं लगता है. सो या मैं तो बस फिलहाल ब्लॉग कर रहा हूँ, इसीलिए निकाल रहा हूँ, बाद में आई विल वेयर अ मास्क. After spending an hour or so at the Vagator beach, now we are heading towards Mapsa market because बागा बीच, वैगटार बीच या जितने भी बीचेस है वहाँ पे अगर आप लोग शॉपिंग करोगे तो आपको जो सब चीज़ें महंगी मिलेगी. As Harshal wanted to take some shorts and sunglasses and stuff like that, तो इसके लिए उधर जा रहे हैं. Probably वहाँ पे चीप मिलेगा. We'll have lunch over there or there's a good hotel where which I'll show you if I go there today for lunch or whenever. अभी जाने तो वाला हुई अगले 4-5 दिनों में, so at that time I'll show you. The parking over here is merely 5 rupees per vehicle. Reached here at Maposa market for the shopping, ताकि शायद सस्ते में कुछ ना कुछ मिल जाए. इन लोगों को ग्लासेस, शॉर्ट्स एंड ऑल सब कुछ लेना है. सो लेट्स सी. So this lane contains all the sunglasses, clothes, which you will get cheapest in Goa, according to what I know. Got 3 shorts from here for 150 each. Getting the Paragon sleepers, 200 each. So here in Mapusa market, we have different markets like the fish market, flower market and बहुत सारा अलग अलग मार्केट है. इधर चप्पल, कपड़ा, ये 3-4 मार्केट्स है. तो वही ज़रा घूम रहे हैं, देखते हैं कुछ मिलता है तो. bags over here are for 100 rupees. We bought 2 bags from this guy. Just read at the bottom of Chapora Fort. I hope we don't miss the sunset because it's already 5:01 and we haven't had lunch till yet. Parking over here is I guess 20 rupees per vehicle. So that's the Chapora Fort which we can see from here. We'll have to climb 120 steps to get there. Film Dil Chahta Hai, उसका shooting यहाँ पे हुआ है, but I haven't seen that film so I don't know. We can see Chapora beach over here. I'm carrying a power bank with me because my battery is like 8% or less. So this is how the fort is. We did wait an hour or 1.5 hours for the sunset, and just a sec, let me show you that. Camera is obviously not doing the justice, but the view over here is spectacular. It's yet to, sun is yet to go down. Now we are going to Chapora beach. Before that we are gonna have our lunch or whatever you may call it. It's 6:30 PM right now. We are just on a single bread and omelette. We have reached the Chapora beach, but it is not like a beach where people can come, but यहाँ पे मच्छी बेचने के लिए बहुत सारा है available. There's this place where we can walk, let's see, have some view. It is very windy over here. I'll continue this when I'll be on that side, which is the beach side. मतलब ये beach side है, यहाँ पे हम लोग थोड़ी देर रुकेंगे. एंड ये ऐसा इधर से वैसा चलने के लिए है या रुकने के लिए, या वो क्यों है क्योंकि यहाँ पे से शिप्स इन लोग बोर्ड करते हैं लोग. वो साइड जाने के सिवाय बीच पे हम लोग ये साइड आ रहे हैं बिकॉज दिस हैज़ मोर life to it. We are finally here for the meal of the day. क्योंकि सुबह से कुछ भी नहीं खाया, आप लोगों को बताया है. दिस रेस्टोरेंट इज़ विनायक फैमिली रेस्टोरेंट, जो आप लोगों में पहले बोल रहा था कि अगर इधर आऊँगा तो बताऊँगा. सो या दिस हैज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एंड चीप फिश थाली. अच्छा टेस्ट है, ऐसा मैंने बहुत जगह यूट्यूब चैनल्स पे देखा है. सो या दैट्स व्हाई आई एम हियर. सो लेट्स सी. So dinner's done. We wanted to have fish thali, which this restaurant is famous for. But हम लोग को फिश थाली मिला नहीं, सो क्योंकि फिश थाली सिर्फ दोपहर में अवेलेबल रहता है. तो कल हम लोग फिर से इधर ही आएंगे दोपहर में. तो उसके अगेंस्ट में हम लोग ने फ्राइड राइस मंगाया एंड दैट वाज नॉट गुड इन टेस्ट. फ्राइड राइस के लिए तो आई वोंट रिकमेंड दिस होटल, क्योंकि एकदम बेकार टेस्ट था. बट कल देखते हैं फिश थाली का कैसा लगेगा टेस्ट. नाउ द प्लान इज गो टू हॉस्टल नाउ एंड देन देखते हैं आगे का क्या बनेगा.